Hi everyone, it's Linnea Tucker. You are able to get 100% on every homework assignment in my math lab, and I want to show you all of the help that's available to you. I've pulled up an example, and maybe I didn't work the problem and I'm just guessing at the answer, and I got it wrong. And maybe I'm going to guess at this answer for my second choice. It gives you 3 times to get the answer right. And yeah, that's not right either. I get to try again, and I'm going to say, I don't know, y equals 5. And I've gotten it wrong. You get 3 tries to get it right. Now, if you want to continue to try to get the answer right, you're going to click on similar question. And it's going to give you a similar question. It's going to change up the numbers a little bit. Okay? Now, I need some help. So I can go up here to question help, and I can click on help me solve this. So what they do is they take the exact same problem and they put it over here and they walk you through it. Okay, so they show you the steps. Let's see here. We subtract, that's going to be a negative 10y. Check answer. Oh, check your subtraction. Let's see here. I subtract, oh, they want the whole thing. Sorry, not just that. Minus 37. Oh, I guess I put an equal sign. Okay, so we get down to here, and I get, what is that, 50? And they're walking me through it, and I get a negative 5. All right, so close. Now I get a chance to do it again, but look, the numbers have changed again on me. All right, so now I get to try it on my own. Maybe I still need some more help. I can view an example. And on this one, is it the same problem? No, it's a little bit, the numbers are a little bit different, but they walk you through the steps. They show you what to do. You can close and you can try it again. You can go and take a look at the textbook, and it takes you straight to the chapter and section number. And you could go through here and read it again. Maybe the videos didn't work for you. Let's see here. When you hit Ask My Instructor, what it does is it sends me an email with a link to your problem in my math lab. You can do that, but you guys know I don't check my email as often as I check remind texts. If I'm sitting here and you send me a remind text, I can hear it come in. I don't hear emails come in. So I can help you right away. So this is how you have an opportunity to go back and rework a problem you got wrong and get 100%. You have an unlimited number of times to rework a problem and get 100%. Now, if you're stuck, you can just snap me a picture of your work. I can look it over and I can tell you what you're doing wrong. So there's another option you have. Okay? Good luck with this.